Hi everybody, so welcome to Forging Ahead with Headlam. You know me already, I'm Shanice. So today I'm in my car. Oh my god. But I'm going to be introducing to you Safi Maintenance. So if it is that you know somebody who wants their upholstery cleaned, and if you want your upholstery cleaned, don't hesitate to share this video with your family, your friends, and your co-workers and everybody. But from time to time, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different with these videos. So I'm gonna be introducing to you other entrepreneurs who are doing their thing, making their dreams come true, who are passionate about what they're doing. So just look out for those episodes. You might see something that you are interested in, you might see something that you want to do as well, but just stay tuned and don't forget to set your goals. But yeah, set your goals, man. You want to become an entrepreneur, set your goals. We're going to talk about it, man. Set all the goals that you want to set for your business, for your life, for your family. Remember we're saying, it not get no easier. Time hard. Toll gone up again. But, just keep the faith that with God all things are possible. Right? So my other episodes that I'll be doing with entrepreneurs, I'll be calling it the Entrepreneur Corner. You like that name? If you like it, tell me. If you don't like it, I'll just change it. What do you think? Entrepreneur Corner? Sounds good? Alright, so check out Safi Maintenance, alright? The number will be in the description below, and it's only for WhatsApp purposes. So you can't call the company, you only can send WhatsApp messages with your pictures of your upholstery, and you'll get a quotation and everything. You'll be answered. Your questions, concerns will be answered. Just send a message to the number below. All right. So we talk again. All right. We talk again. Remember, set your goals. All right. Put God first. Don't give up. You have a dream. Don't give up. All right. You can do it. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Remember, don't take a long time. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So watch Safi. Thank you. See you next time.